guys, today is the 29th and I did have a somewhat productive day. I ended up washing my hair. Right now I'm twisting it. It looks a little weird because I'm trying to twist it in loose, so I'll start tight and then twist loose and then twist tight at the end. These just look puffy, but I don't know, I'm kind of fine with it. So I'm doing that. I got dressed today. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup just because I'm not planning to actually go anywhere, but just, you know, put some on just because. And I'm cooking some wings in the air fryer so that we don't eat out today. I feel pretty productive today, actually. So I'm about to finish twisting. Everybody always talks about the grease that they used when they were a child. My mom always bought BB. Yeah, BB. So this is the grease that I grew up using, not Blue Magic. I mean, I know Blue Magic and I have used it before, but that's not what I normally had. I had BB. So let me know down in the comments if you also had BB or if you grew up on Blue Magic. I really love this one though. Like, it smells amazing and it just, my hair loves it. So I started back using it. Okay, so we're about to go check on my wings that I cooked in the air fryer. So my wings were frozen, so I cooked them in the air fryer on 400 degrees, seasoned them, put some oil on them. Well, I sprayed oil. I don't know if I should have done that, but anyway, and then I cooked them on 400 degrees for 12 minutes, about 12 minutes. So let's see what they look like. Okay, so just added the buffalo sauce and now I'm about to let them cook some more and finish, well, start doing my hair again while I'm watching one of my favorite vloggers, Olive Destiny. If you ever see this girl, hey, I love your vlogs, girl. So anyway, yeah, let me get started back on this so I can finish, because I still have this whole other half of my head to do and I'm ready to be done. Okay. Okay, so now I have dinner. I have finished half of my head, kind of, well, half of the sections. So I have 2 more sections over here to do, but I'm about to eat first and then I will finish when I'm done eating because I'm hungry. So I am done with my hair finally and I like it, and this is gonna last me a good little minute. I need to cut off these little pieces right here. Oh, that just came on off, so that's fine. So yeah, I have also finished my dinner. While I was finishing my hair, I started watching another movie. I'm thinking about painting my nails. Only thing about painting your nails is that sometimes it takes forever for your nails to dry. Actually, every time it takes forever for your nails to dry. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, my memory card got full, so I had to delete some stuff. But anyway, it takes forever for your nails to dry, and I hate waiting 24 hours for my nails to completely dry. So I bought this. So it's a nail drying spray, and it says it's coconut scented. Anyway, one of my best friends recommended it, so I bought some. So I may try that out tonight. Actually, you know what, why not? Let's try it out and see if this works. So I'm gonna paint my nails red I know it's after Christmas, but red is a classic color, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I was told that I need to paint my nails, let it dry for like a minute, and then spray the nail dryer spray. I just finished painting the Looks Wet polish on top to give it the wet look. You see it's shiny and stuff. So I'm gonna wait 1 minute. Oh my gosh, it's a bug. Okay, we're back. So anyway, I'm gonna wait about a minute, and then I'm gonna spray the spray, and then we're gonna see if it's dry. But right now it's still pretty wet. All right, so it's been a minute, so now I'm gonna take the spray and shake it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my rings off. Okay, now I'm gonna spray it and see if it works. It definitely smells like coconut. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna touch them and see how they feel. It seems to work pretty good actually. Let me spray one more time. So I actually think it works pretty good. And they still have some shine to them. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna do the other hand real quick so I can have two hands painted, both hands painted. Okay, y'all. If it'll focus. Hello. Okay, so my nails are painted. I do like the spray. I think it helps drastically because if I hadn't used that, I know for sure my nails would still be pretty wet, but like I can touch them, rub them, and there's nothing, like there's no polish on my hands. I was told to still wait like an hour before they're like dry, like ready to go for anything. So I'm just gonna watch the rest of my movie and chillax. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you. I almost choked on this, the gum juice. Okay, hold on, pause. Okay, anyway, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay. Bye.